In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an in and out text animation. Let's create a plane S to scale. Let's create a text object, and tab to edit the text. G and Z to move on the Z-axis. Let's shift select both meshes, tab, and knife project. The knife project got bugged this time. Do you see how the letter O project doesn't look alright? When we encounter a bug like this, we must undo and try projecting again after moving the source mesh a bit to the side. This is not good, but it can be fixed if we try again after moving the source mesh. I'll show you how that gets done. Let's completely undo to the state before the knife projection. Select the source mesh, and G and X to move on the X-axis. That was perfect. That's how we get around the knife projection bug. Let's type P to separate the projected faces. Let's extrude the plane mesh like this. The text object needs to be extruded as well. Let's select the side faces, and apply a green material. For the text object's side meshes, we need to apply a blue material. If we move up, we'll see the blue. If we move down, we'll see the green. Right-click the mesh in Object Mode, and Shade Smooth. Let's Auto Smooth to fix the normal issues. Select the text object, and tab to go to Edit Mode. Let's hover the cursor on the letter L and press L to link select. P to separate. We need to separate the rest by using the same separation method. Let's animate the letters by hovering the cursor on the location, Z, and typing I to set a keyframe. Basically, I'm moving the letters in every 50 frames. L starts at 0, and ends at 150. O starts at 30, and ends at 130. G starts at 60, and ends at 160. The last, O, starts at 120, and ends at 220. The animation part is now complete. Please render as a movie clip, if you like. I'll end the tutorial with a single image. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.